Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Synergy Kombucha. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including a healthy SCOBY. Begin by sanitizing all your brewing equipment to maintain a clean environment. Next, brew about 4 cups of strong black or green tea. While it's hot, stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it fully dissolves. This sweet tea will be the food for your SCOBY. Allow this mixture to cool completely before proceeding to the next step. Once your sweet tea is at room temperature, combine it with about 8 cups of unflavored, unpasteurized kombucha. This starter tea lowers the pH and helps prevent mold. Gently add your SCOBY to the mixture in a large glass jar. Cover the jar opening with a breathable cloth, securing it with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping out contaminants. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. After 7 to 10 days, your first fermentation is complete. The kombucha should taste slightly tart and vinegary. Carefully remove the SCOBY and about 2 cups of the finished kombucha to use as starter tea for your next batch. Now, it's time for the second fermentation, where you add flavor. Pour your kombucha into airtight bottles, adding about 1/4 cup of fruit juice or fresh fruit per 16 ounces. Leave about 1 inch of headspace in each bottle. Seal your flavored bottles tightly and let them ferment at room temperature for another 2 to 3 days. This is when the carbonation develops, so be sure to burp them daily by briefly opening the caps to release excess pressure. Once carbonated to your liking, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process and chills your delicious homemade kombucha, making it ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.